So how do you organise all of your online mind maps inside of Coggle? In this video, I'm going to be covering how to organise your mind maps inside of folders. Hey guys, welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you want content that will help you to grow your confidence online, as well as how to make the most out of your technology, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time we launch a brand new video. To create a folder, all you need to do is go onto Coggle.it, which is this main page here, and then go to the left hand side by this green bit here. And what we're interested in is this one here, which says create folder. Following this, it will prompt you to name your folder, and this can be topic based on the person or collaborators, and so much more. From here, it gives you two options to keep work inside of here. You can either create diagrams directly from within this folder, or you can drag and drop ones from existing folders. For example, I've got this one here, which is in the Created by You section. To move this into my history work folder, which I've just created, all I need to do is click and drag it over to history work. So now, as you can see, my mind map has now been moved into my history work folder. If you're interested in finding out how to present your Coggles, no matter whether you're a teacher or a student, click or tap the video shown on screen now, or for another video by Google Tutorials, click or tap the video shown on screen now, and I'll see you soon.